Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a BMW Z4 guys and you're trying to remove or replace your Valvetronic motor, stay with us. We'll cover everything from start to finish guys. We will explain where it's located, how to remove it, how to replace it. In addition guys, if you need to buy new Valvetronic motor, any of the parts or tools that we use guys, check out the links will be shared in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we do that? Because guys, we want to save you time and money. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos guys. And why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. So all we need in return, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video if it was helpful. This is the engine that we'll be demonstrating on. This is guys actually N52 engine that can be found in so many BMWs, including guys BMW Z4, 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5 and 1 Series here in the United States. And another thing guys, if you have a car, check this channel out, Auto Repair guys. This is our main channel that we have helped more than 71 million people. So check it out, subscribe. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars on future car repairs. We have complicated videos such as timing chain replacements on BMW and things like that. So now, where is the Valvetronic motor located? Usually guys, it's located right here underneath, okay, under that cover right here. So stay with us and we'll explain how to remove it and how to replace it now. So, first we're going to remove the valve cover. Most of the times you just grab the top engine cover that actually mounts to the valve cover, excuse me guys. Most of the time it attaches with only 4 rubber bushings. Sometimes if you have screws on the front, you have to remove those. You can see the bushings are right here, 4 of them, and they attach to the top of the cover, okay, right there. One here, one over there. You can see just like that. Perfect. Now, what about guys, okay, that Valvetronic motor? That's where it's located, right here. And you have a gasket that could be leaking there as well. That's a gasket, okay, right here. So how we remove that Valvetronic motor? We need to guys actually go ahead and remove the spark plugs for the ignition coils for cylinder number 3 and 4. So we can gain more room to the Valvetronic motor. So we'll go ahead, grab it, pull it. Okay, pull the spark plugs. We'll do the same to cylinder number 4. Disconnect the wire by pulling that tab up. If the wire is stuck, just help it by hand. Now, let's explain guys something. That Valvetronic motor, most of you would think that it's super easy to remove, but it's not. Due to the fact, okay, you have two bolts that are really easy to reach here, but you have another bolt on the bottom of it. Okay, and that bolt you will reach through the other side, but in order to reach it you need to move that wiring harness. And how we're going to do that? We need to disconnect it from the valve cover. So we're going to get a reverse torque socket like this one, and we're going to remove the ground wire bolt, okay, right there. So we're going to remove this bolt. We'll get it loose. Later, do not forget to install that bolt because your ignition coils will not work on bank 2. This is cylinder number 4, 5 and 6. Now we need to remove this bolt. And this has the main ground wire coming to the engine. So very important to install the 2 ground wires together later. The one for the ignition coils and the one coming, okay, from the body of the car. Perfect. Now you can grab that thing and move it out a little bit. Now guys, we didn't want to waste your time. Next, you need to get a reverse torque socket 8mm. Okay, we'll have the tools listed in the description of the video below, and that's the bolt that we will need to actually remove. Okay, this bolt right here. We already removed ours guys. It will be on the back side right here, and I will try to reach over here and see if I can show you, but it's all the way right here. I will not be even able to show you. And you need to unscrew the whole bolt, unscrew until it comes out. After that guys, you need to disconnect the wiring harness, press the 2 tabs in and disconnect it. You have 2 bolts that we need to remove for the Valvetronic motor now. And it's a little bit spring loaded, so once you start getting both of them loose, you will notice that it will try to come out. It will kind of like move this way, shift a little bit. That's normal. Perfect. One is out. Now we have a second one. You will see how it's going to kick the motor out a little bit. Okay, working on this one now. Perfect. And now the Valvetronic motor comes out. You just grab and pull it out, and your gasket is underneath as well. This is where the other bolt attaches to, guys. Well, now hold on a second. This bolt, our bad guys, this bolt you don't have to remove it all the way. You can just loosen it a little bit. You loosen it a little bit, and when you remove these two bolts, what will happen? You will just pull it towards the back. Okay, I think so. Let me see. Oh, maybe not. No, it will need to come out. The whole thing will need to come out. Even though it's cut, the whole thing will need to come out. Yep, we did it right. So, this is the Valvetronic motor, and that's how it came out of there. So, if you guys need to test yours because it's not working correctly or you have code related to it, we'll have a video on the channel that will explain how to test the Valvetronic motor on BMW, which takes only a couple seconds, and you will know if yours is good or bad. That way, guys, you don't need to waste money on a new Valvetronic motor. Something else, guys. I would definitely recommend replace your gasket every time you replace the motor. Why? Simply because that gasket, okay, it's not very expensive, and right here, all that, okay, is engine oil. Okay, all that here, it's engine oil. That engine oil is leaking from here, right there, guys, and you develop a leak, and definitely, guys, replace that gasket as well. We'll put the links to the new motor and the new gasket in the description of the video below. If you have any questions, any recommendations, don't hesitate to let us know. That's why we're making so many videos, guys, so we can help you as much as we can. And we made that video because many of you asked about that BMW Z4, since there is very limited information. So thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.